Understanding Sliding into Debt, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in English, sliding into debt. If you've heard this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. We'll explore what it means to slide into debt, how it happens, and some tips to avoid it. Stay with us to unlock another piece of the English language puzzle. Sliding into debt is a metaphorical phrase that describes the process of gradually getting into more debt, often without fully realizing how bad the situation is becoming. The word sliding suggests a slow, perhaps unnoticed, movement into a state of owing money. Unlike falling or jumping into debt, which might suggest a sudden change, sliding into debt indicates a gradual, almost stealthy process. There are many ways people can find themselves sliding into debt. Common reasons include using credit cards irresponsibly. Making purchases with credit cards without the means to pay off the balance can lead to accumulating debt. Not tracking expenses. Failing to keep an eye on spending can result in expenses that far exceed income. Unexpected financial emergencies. Medical bills, car repairs, or sudden unemployment can force reliance on borrowing to make ends meet. Minimum payments on loans. Paying only the minimum on loans and credit cards can extend debt and increase the amount paid in interest. Understanding these triggers is crucial to recognize the signs of sliding into debt. Avoiding debt requires mindfulness and strategic planning. Here are some tips to stay on solid financial ground. Create a budget. Knowing your income and expenses helps you live within your means. Save for emergencies. An emergency fund can prevent the need to borrow in case of unexpected expenses. Use credit wisely. Understand the terms of your credit, and avoid using it for unnecessary purchases. Monitor your spending. Regularly check your financial statements to stay aware of your financial health. These strategies can help you maintain control over your finances and prevent the slow slide into debt. We hope this video sheds light on what it means to slide into debt and how you can avoid it. Managing finances wisely is crucial to staying out of debt and living a stress-free life. Remember, awareness and action are key to maintaining financial health. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.